Mr. Malla, I would like to interfere at here. By my opinion, the ideology of Periyar, Baba Sahib Ambedkar, Manavar Kansiram Sahab, and all the leaders who have dedicated for the common causes of the society, the main object was to make this total social change in India. The ideology of our leaders and those persons, heroes of the society who have dedicated themselves to establish total social change in the country, in the interest of the Bahujan society, in whole of the country. In this regard, what you would like to say?
Actually, you have rightly asked the question by our Gautam ji. During that time, the social justice movement need for that time, during Periyar time and Phule time, our people struggled for social justice. After Kanshiram ji came into the existence, he started the movement for social transformation and economic and emancipation. That social transformation movement is thicker than the social justice movement. So at present, our young generation are all expecting, they are struggling for the social transformation instead of social justice. They are not worrying about any reservation. Nowadays you can see in Tamil Nadu, some scheduled caste movement also started the movement against the reservation also. So in this regard, our people are expecting the social transformation. Social transformation lies in the political power only. So that's what Kanshiram ji told, that if you want to create the casteless society, we have to become a ruler of this country.
Right, Mr. Malla, I would like to ask you very important question. You have started, by my knowledge, you have started this yatra since 17th September.
17th September, the 143rd birth anniversary of
Yes, from Varanasi,
the birthplace of Guru Ravidas.
Yes, in the state of Uttar Pradesh. On this channel, namely Bahujan Paigam, today you presented and expressed your views regarding the equality in the country as per the norms of the Constitution of India laid down in the Constitution of India by Honorable Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. How you will establish equality, social equality and fraternity and brotherhood relationship among the Bahujan people in the country.
Yes. What you are asking?
How?
How?
Yes.
Actually, Kanshiram ji clearly told how we can see the brotherhood nation. Once we capture the parliament, then it will be happen. First Yudh, second Buddh. It's a purely Kalinga war teaches us. Once Ashoka emperor got the power, after that the whole nation, the whole world, our Buddhism spread.
Right.
So cultural change and social change and even economical emancipation also comes only when we capture the power.
Mr. Malla, at present, as the information are received from different parts of the country by the RSS followers and people, that they are intended to establish Hindu Rashtra in the country.
Yes.
To finish the Hindu Rashtra, or the ideology depending upon the Hindu Rashtra has not been established in the country. Only solution given by Lord Buddha is sufficient. What is your opinion in this regard?
Actually, the Brahminical forces are following very honestly their philosophy. They are honestly following their philosophy. When it comes to the Bahujan Samaj, our people are nowadays Kanshiram plus Jai Shri Ram, na Jai na Parsuram. Oh, na. A single person from this land of Punjab or otherwise in the land of UP are not having guts to raise this question against these Bahujan leader. Even though these people are now polluted by the Brahminism. In outside they are saying that they are the follower of Kanshiram. Inside they are showing themselves as the stooges of the Manuar, chamchas of the Manuar. Politically, actually, Congress started the movement against the scheduled caste, Gandhi versus Baba Saheb Ambedkar. BJP started the movement against Muslims. Kanshiramji started the movement against the Manuar. Politically, we need an enemy. Who is our enemy? Our people, the grassroots peoples are very clear. Otherwise, in the banner of Bahujan Dravida Party, last 15 days I roamed in UP. Wherever we went, the people had given a warm welcome to our movement.
Right, Mr. Malla. From different parts of the country, the voice has been raised against Dalit, the educated peoples and those persons who are interested for the equality, socially, economically, politically or educationally, etc., etc. They don't like that our people in the country should be treated as the Dalit. What is your expression and views on this?
It is correct. It is correct. Already Kanshiram itself told. If actually Kanshiram, what he told, if you are exposing yourself as a Dalit means you are exposing yourself as a beggar. So I never use that word Dalit. In democratic, Bahujan only become a ruler. Right. So I proud to say I am a Bahujan Dravida Samaj. Dravida has the enemy. Who is the enemy of the Dravida? Aryas are the enemy. Ideological enemy, not individual. Individual will come and go.
According to your opinion, it became very clear that our political leaders, different parties or different persons, perhaps they don't understand the meaning of Dalit. So they use the word Dalit, attaching it to our society.
Actually, this word emerged from the NGOs, not from the political movement. Later some Dalit Panther movement emerged at Maharashtra. Whoever part of the Dalit Panther movement, they became a Gundagiris to the Manuar. Kanshiram itself told. And they become the informer to the police. So, Kanshiram, that's what we people are saying. Wherever we are going, we people are saying that Jai Kanshiram, Jai Kanshiram. Because the Manuwadi party, Manuwadi people, the Brahminical forces not having to say Jai Kanshiram, Jai Periyar. Even though they are saying that Jai Bhim, Jai Bhim, Jai Bhim, Jai 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 Bhim. They are raising the slogan, but other side they are licking the boot of the Brahmins. So we have to say Jai Kanshiram to finish the Jai Shri Ram in the North India. That is the only slogan.
It means you are not interested that our people should be treated as Dalit in the country.
Yes, of course.
Dalit but must be abolished.
Democratically we are majority.
Yes.
Why
Yes,
we want to swing in the Dalit? All our SC, ST, OBCs are our brothers, own brothers. Even though in the name of OBC, they are getting a little bit caste pride. That's all. Nothing they are getting. Even when compared to the scheduled caste, they are, I'm saying, actually I have been traveling last 15 days. Some places, the scheduled caste people are better than OBCs. Because OBC people, they are in administration and judiciaries and in education, they are not getting the 100% reservation. It's a very pathetic to see those OBC people. Because among the OBCs, they are not having any leader among the OBCs. In scheduled caste, you can see lot of leaders.
Please, Mr. Malla, what would you like to say regarding EVM election system in the country?
Actually, our people work, that same EVM is functioning in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. There is no single Brahmins entered into our assembly, Tamil Nadu assembly. Forget about the assembly. Even our people not allowed a Brahmins to become a Panchayat ward member. That is our people are giving a real tribute to the Periyar. It shows the self-respect. But how our people are here in the name of EVM, actually the EVM concept also emerged from the Maharashtra. It's like they are like a Gujarati people. So our people has to get a knowledge from the Kanshiramji, the school of Kanshiram. The school of Kanshiram is the only solution to our Bahujan Dravida Samaj.
In the same manner, just like Tamil Nadu, you are interested that in other states of the country, the government should be made Brahminless government in the states.
Brahmin free.
Brahmin free. It is your motto, it is your object.
Actually, our Periyar's mission was that. That's what our people are following that. Truly they are following. That is not my mission, because ideologically we are not ready to accept Brahminism. Ideologically. Baba Saheb Ambedkar clearly told, Indian history is nothing, it's a moral conflict between Brahminism and Buddhism. So we people are following the teachers of Buddha. Buddha Periyar himself told, my teacher was a Buddha. So we actually Tamil Nadu now at present, Tamil Nadu people are truly following the words of the Buddha, the mission of the Buddha.
How you teach these things to OBC classes in the country, on the shoulders of OBC classes, the Manuvad and Brahmanvad, Pakhandvad is spreading. It has been established in the country, and particularly our class, scheduled caste, scheduled caste, Adivasi, are suffering from centuries to century till date. How you can suggest them, how you can come in the mainstream of the development in the country from Manuvad and Brahmanvad?
Actually, you people go and ask the question to the UP so-called leaders, because the so-called leaders nowadays, they are propagating Dalit Brahmin Brotherhood Alliance. No? Brother, is it possible? All the so-called Manu, there are bombs of workers. I don't know what they are doing. That's what I am not interested to move with these so-called elite groups. So that's what last 15 days I identified the organic intellectuals in the villages. They are very honest. They are truly following the ideology of Manavar Kanshiramji. The so-called intellectuals, the so-called intellectuals are living in the concept of I, my, myself. In outside they are saying that they are the follower of Kanshiram. Inside they are having the Brahminical forces, the marital relationship among the Brahminical forces, and they are the culprit, the polluting the whole Bahujan Dravida Samaj. So actually our strategy, I don't want to say more strategy what are going to do in the future, but our strategy is to identify the organic intellectuals. Pule to Periyar. Pule was the organic intellectuals. He can never compromised with the Brahminical forces. Periyar never went to school. He never compromised with the Brahminical forces. You people are saying that Brahmin and Dalit alliance, at any cost, I never ever allow Parsuram's-ism in the land of Periyarism, in the land of Kanshiramism. Kanshiram.
Mr. Malla Sahab, very important question. Backward classes in the country are not ready to follow their own leaders on...
I don't want to blame the OBCs. You see, 130 MPs are in the parliament. Whether a single person raised the question for favor to the our scheduled caste?
Right. You are 100% right. No
There
doubt.
are blind, deaf and dumbs where the representatives in the parliament. You talk about your own community. How you are blaming the OBCs? OBCs are very clear. They are struggling for their own community. Unfortunately, they are under the feet of Brahminical forces.
Right.
They are actually, according to my understanding, OBCs are the staunch follower of Babasaheb Ambedkar and Periyar and Phule and Sagu Maharaj. Unfortunately, we are not going to make a brotherhood among the community. Kansiramji won because of OBC or otherwise Brahmins. You made a power. You made a power in the UP. It happened because of the Brahmins or OBCs. How you are saying that OBCs are follower of Manuwar? They are the real brothers of our Bahujun Dravida Samaj, Bahujun Samaj. Whether Kansiramji told about 100%. Earlier, you followed the, nobody had a guts to ask when this so-called leader changed from Bahujun to Sarvajan.
But in practical,
In practical,
they are not follower of our Bahujan leaders who have sacrificed for themselves. They
actually,
are
according to my eyes, I am not seeing. According to my eyes, I brought up from the school of Periyar. Only Brahmins are the thread to the Bahujun Dravida Samaj. Because ideologically they are very honest. Babasaheb Ambedkar himself told, every Brahmins, they wanted to maintain their Brahminism. Babasaheb Ambedkar never told every Shudra wanted to maintain the Shudras or maintain their supremacy. He attacked only Brahminism only, Brahmins only. How you people are saying that OBCs are our, they are the followers of Manuwar? They never, ever. We people not reach to that community. You people are going behind the Dalit Brahmin alliance means. Nowadays your eyes completely collapsed with the leaders.
last question, Mr. Malla. Excluding OBC classes in the country, how you can rule over the India?
Yes.
Only on the basis of SC/ST people?
No. OBCs are 55%. Actually,
Then they
understand.
They
if
cannot be excluded.
If they understand the value of the power, if they understand the value of the vote, they would become a ruler of this country. That the power should be in the hands of OBCs. Because that in Loktantrik, in democracy, they are the majority when compared to scheduled caste.
They are in majority, but not the ruler in the country. They are ruled by others who have only 15% population in the country.
So actually our target should be in power only, parliament only. But in a lot of states now, the OBC only having the role, having the power at the state level, not central level. They are not thinking about the power of the center. So we have to go and teach them, because scheduled caste is the foundation. Actually, I belong to scheduled caste. I am working here already. Invisibly, the brotherhood, ideologically brotherhood from Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
In such manner, Mr. Yogi told before 2-3 days that Dalits are in the foundation. Till what time? Dalits have been born to be foundation only,
Actually,
over which the government is built up.
so our role, and actually we people only understand about Phule to Kanshiram. OBC people are not much more knowledge about their own Mahapurush. Even though we are acknowledging Phule. Phule belongs to OBC. Sagu Maharaj belongs to OBC. Periyar belongs to OBC. Narayana Guru belongs to OBC.
But at present,
But scheduled caste
please,
people only
please, Malla Sahab,
acknowledging.
please, Malla Sahab, what you are saying, that is 100% correct. But the people of belonging to OBC classes are not ready to follow Sahuji Maharaj, Jyotirba Phule, and others. This is the reason that they are,
Actually, you are not.
being in majority, they are not the ruler.
You people are not going to the grassroots. Last 15 days, I have been traveling in
Right.
UP. out of 15 days, 10 days, OBC people only arranged for the stay, food, and they contribute a lot of money to this movement, to this
Right.
campaign.
Right,
How
right.
you, without understanding the grassroots, how you are simply, don't blame the OBCs. OBCs, actually from their heart, they are rich when compared to scheduled caste. They are very rich. Easily they throw 10,000, 15,000. But we people fail to reach them. We people honestly, in our Dalit community, scheduled caste community, I don't want to say the Dalit also, our communities, lot of chamchas are there. Chamchas are the very big hurdles. Actually, when I observed these people, Brahmins are very much fear about this yatra, Periyar Kanshiramji, Rajneet Sandesh yatra. I observed from the mindset of the community. But chamchas are getting angry. Brahmins are getting fear. Chamchas are getting angry when they see that Kanshiram Periyar Sandesh yatra. Why you are coming? Chamchas are asking. This question not raised by the OBCs. A single OBC not raised the question. But chamchas were raised the question. So now, chamchas are the very big problem. Once again, we have planned to circulate the Chamcha Age book. 1 lakh Chamcha Age book we have to print it very soon to circulate among our
To whom you can address the chamcha? To whom?
I don't want to disclose, you can understand. You can understand. Why I want to say?
Last question. Today, very healthy discussion and expression of views taken place among the people of the society regarding establish equality, social equality in the country. And by your best efforts, you are intended and interested to establish social equality in the country, for which you are going to waste your time, precious time. You are moving hither and thither in all the districts in the state of Uttar Pradesh for this purpose. This is very nice and it will be very helpful to the society as whole, belonging to SC, ST, OBC and Adivasi and minorities also.
Correct.
No doubt at all.
Correct.
I appreciate your effort.
Thank you.
And you gave some time on Bahujan Paigam to spread out your views in the country. I appreciate and I hope that in the future the time will come again,
Yes,
then your expression of views shall be spread out in the country by this YouTube channel, namely Bahujan Paigam.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.